Alright, so this is my little Craftsman lathe. It's a 109-20630. It's made in the mid-40s, and one of my other videos I mentioned it. It has a little issue going on with it. So I replaced the spindle a while back and completely disassembled, cleaned, painted, everything. Did the whole 9 yards to this. Bought a new chuck and a bushing to go with it. That's wonderful. But it started making a lot of noise, and so I went through the system, and what I found is that this hole right here, there's supposed to be a bushing in there. Well, that bushing is non-existent anymore. It's gone. So it got completely worn away. So I'm going to have to see if I can buy one and or make one, so I don't wreck that piece there. And then in here, there's actually, see if I can pull these out gently. There's a washer down in here that's split, so I got to take it with me to the store also. So I'm gonna have to go down to Ace, and then I don't know if I'm gonna have to modify parts or what in order to get there. Probably have to get stuff off the shelf and then put this back together, run the parts, and make what I need, and then put it all back together. I hate running this thing if it's got issues. So I'm gonna zero this out. We'll get measurement on it in inches. So my spindle's a 1/2 inch. That shouldn't be a problem for anything. I think 0.7, yeah, figures. So it's just a little bit less than 3/4. And I think 6/8 is 5/8. It's got to be turned down a little bit in order to go. And I have no idea what the taper size is on through there. It's going to suck. 0.58 on the inside. So I don't know if it's wallowed out on the bushing on the inside too. Hope not. That would be even more sucky. The she's are definitely running a little loose, but she's going to be running inside those gears, so I think it's what 0.62 is 5/8, so we'll have to go a 1/2 inch bushing and then modify. And let's see, shaft size is OD 0.54 evidently. You'd say 0.55 and that would be okay, so it's just a little over half. What an odd thing. Odd sizes. So I think what I'm going to do is get a bushing that is 1/2 inch. I'll have to ream it out a little bit, and I'll have to taper down the outside. And I have no idea what the depth is. So, a pain in the ass. See if I got a drill bit that's going to be around 5.5. I don't know if I do. Maybe. 7. Smaller. I have to take the caliper with me to the store. Let's see if I can get something there. That's just big. That sucks. Okay. So 0.7 and 0.55. I should be able to get a bushing that's either 1/2 or 3/4, and probably with kind of a shoulder on the outside. Now to put the lathe back together, turn it down, and adjust the length. It's going to taper down to nothing, kind of, on the inside. So anyway, all right, I'm hitting it. Talk to you later. Bye.